it happened, they couldn't get clear information. The proof of my father's presence in this plane was identified through his wedding ring that had been found on a fragment of his hand, and in which it was the date of the wedding of my parents and the first name of my mother.
Bruno was just one of many children who lost a parent. In the aftermath, the French investigators begin the dreadful process of looking for clues amongst the wreckage. But then the investigators get their first major clue. 10 miles from where the plane came down, French police discover a macabre scene. 6 dead passengers strapped into 2 rows of seats. Alongside them, a mangled piece of wreckage. It turns out to be the rear cargo door. But how could a door just fall off a plane? The answer would turn out to be engineering error. The investigators now focus on the issue of pressurization. Jet aircraft fly at high altitude, where the air pressure is very low. To keep the passengers comfortable, the interior of the plane has to be kept at a higher pressure.